Gonna turn, okay? So let's see when he turns. Oh, let's see.
Up. Up. There.
Okay, little boy.
Okay, go.
Okay, Tati, let's just let him do it by himself, okay?
This is a picnic.
No, you're
Yeah.
gonna fall.
Come
Yeah,
over here. Just stay there. Stay
right
there.
now after you take that picture.
Yeah, I'm recording.
We
Yep.
do the picnic and
Picture. Okay, little boy. Oh my gosh, look how he moves. Look how he moves.
He's turning. He's turning.
Yeah, there you go. Come on. Are you gonna move again? He's moving, huh? Move again. Move again, little boy.
Come and get it.
come and get it. Come and get it. Come and get it. Come and get it. Come and get it. Come and get it. Come and get it. Come and get it. Come and get it. Come and get it. Come and get it.
No, 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 no.
Okay, Tati, do you want to come over here? So maybe he's gonna come when we're over here.
Here,
Okay, just stay there so you don't fall, though. Try not to fall.
yeah, I'll with you, okay?
He's doing it again.
Like this. I'm gonna feel like this. Huh? I'm gonna feel like this. Oh, I'm gonna fall, Tati. Like this. Oh my god.
Tati, can you get the pillow up? Okay. Yeah. Oh. Okay. No, don't put the pillow down, Tati, because you're gonna hurt your brother.
Right here, right
Yeah.
here. Yeah.
Okay. You stay here with Dayanara. Okay.
Oh my god, I'm gonna fall.
Okay.
Wanna try this? Yeah. Listen.
Okay, try to curl.
Listen, okay? Sit.
There you go.
Sit. Like her now.
He's doing it.
He's doing it again.
Kyler.